Welcome back to Spacey Talk channel. Best night sky events of July 2017, Stargazing Maps, Part 2. Mercury at greatest eastern elongation, July 30th. On the evening of Sunday, July 30th, Mercury will reach its widest separation east of the Sunday. Viewed in a telescope, inset, the planet will exhibit a half-illuminated phase. First quarter moon, July 30th. At first quarter, the positions of the Earth, Sun, and Moon cause us to see one half of the Moon illuminated by the Sun. The Moon's lit half is on the western, right-hand, side, toward the setting Sun. The first quarter moon rises around noontime and sets around midnight, so it is visible half the time in the afternoon hours and the other half during the evening hours. The term quarter moon refers not to its shape, but the fact that our natural satellite has now completely the first quarter of its orbital journey around Earth since the last new moon. Southern Delta Aquariid meteor shower peaks, July 30th. The Southern Delta Aquariid meteor shower runs from July 21st to August 23rd. It peaks before dawn on Friday, July 28th, but is quite active for a week surrounding that date. This shower is strong, consisting mostly of weak meteors, but is best seen from the southern tropics. Mercury July 2017. Mercury spends July executing a so-so evening apparition for mid-northern latitude observers, peaking in visibility a few degrees above the western horizon around 9:30 p.m. local time. During the month, the planet's disk grows in apparent size and wanes from a nearly full phase to half-illuminated. Mercury passes 1 degree south of, below, the bright star Regulus on July 26 and reaches greatest eastern elongation, 27 degrees from the Sun, on July 30th. Venus July 2017. Throughout July, Venus rises about 3 a.m. local time and shines extremely brightly in the eastern sky until dawn. During the month, it swings sunwards and traverses the stars of Taurus, passing just above the Hyades cluster and bright Aldebaran in the second week of July. In a telescope, the planet's disk will grow slightly more than half illuminated and shrink in apparent diameter through the month. The old crescent moon lands 3.5 degrees south, to the lower right, of the planet on July 20th. Mars July 2017. Mars is not observable during July as it reaches superior conjunction with the Sun on July 26. Jupiter July 2017. Jupiter is well positioned for observing in the first part of July, dominating the southwestern evening sky amid the stars of Virgo. By month end, it is sinking lower and setting within hours of the Sun. During July it closes to within about 8 degrees of Virgo's brightest star Spica. On the evening of Saturday, July 1st, the waxing gibbous moon will appear 8 degrees to the north, upper left, of Jupiter, and then return to sit only 2.5 degrees above the planet on July 28. Saturn July 2017. Saturn spends July near the Milky Way, moving retrograde through southern Ophiuchus. It is observable from sunset to before dawn. Unfortunately, this year Saturn remains very low in the southern sky, making telescope views less than ideal from mid-northern latitudes. As a consolation prize, the planet is experiencing its winter solstice, when the northern side of the ring plane is tilted to its maximum extent, 26.7 degrees, toward the Sun and Earth. On Thursday, July 6, the nearly full moon will sit only 2 degrees north of, above, Saturn. Uranus July 2017. For most of July, blue-green Uranus rises after midnight, only becoming an evening object at month's end. It is in the southeastern pre-dawn sky amid the stars of Pisces. At visual magnitude 5.8, it is observable in binoculars and with the naked eye under dark skies. Neptune July 2017. During July, dim blue Neptune is observable in the lower southeastern sky between midnight and the pre-dawn. During the month it is moving retrograde, westwards, towards the minor star Hydra in the constellation of Aquarius. Thank you and see you on next video. Like and subscribe for more movie and spacey talk channel.